Hey everyone, this is Colin. Just want to make another video today. This one I feel is very important. Affects us all. So I'm just going to dive right on into it and give a couple examples that I have here. So today's video is all about food, and specifically about how a lot of these added ingredients that you find aren't really benefiting you. A lot of these processed, even some things that are not completely processed are still garbage. They have added chemicals, red dye number 40, high fructose corn syrup, sucralose. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Many of these things, many of you probably already know this, but it's an important fact I feel needs to be perpetuated out there. So, natural foods such as blueberries, in which that's the only ingredient and they have antioxidants in them. Vegetables that are steamed, not boiled, because there are live enzymes within them that provide the health benefit that is often missing from a lot of other foods, that is in not only just the American diet but a lot of other diets. So that's something you really got to watch out for. For me personally, I eat a lot more organic, healthy foods because A, it tastes great, B, it's healthy for me, and C, I'm getting a lot more of the fiber and nutrients within it. I feel happier, I feel better, I just feel all around wonderful. So, yeah, you really need to watch out for these kinds of foods, and if you're not sure, look it up, do your research on this food, look up the actual ingredients in it. As I said, I brought a couple examples here. Let's start with this one. These are just a couple of examples, one out of many. It's called Swiss Miss No Sugar Added Hot Chocolate. Let's grab this off the shelf in my pantry over there. I don't know if you can see the ingredients here. Whoops, sorry. But it includes things such as, I'll just read it. It includes things such as modified whey, cocoa processed with alkali, maltodextrin, hydrogenated coconut oil, salt, contains less than 2%, but still within it, it says dipotassium phosphate, carrageenan, I don't even know what that is, mono and diglycerides, acesulfame potassium, artificial flavors, and sucralose. That's just one example. I have no idea what some of those even mean, or what some of those even are. Are those natural, or are some of those just artificial? But I do know is that they're not the ingredients that you want in your food. They contain very little actual nutritious value that your body can absorb and use to both heal itself, which is another great thing. Not only is it prolonging the longevity of your body, getting the appropriate nutrients, and it can heal itself. Here's the second example that I got. Probably something that a lot of you eat. Honey O's cereal. Some of the ingredients include, but are not limited to, milled corn, palm oil. This is a crazy one. BHT added to preserve freshness. Yeah. Corn flour, sugar, some of this obvious stuff. Yeah, but the BHT really stuck out. But honestly, some of these things are just not healthy at all. Now, I'm not saying don't eat any of this stuff ever again, but I'm saying increase the number of organic. Fresh fruits and vegetables, cauliflower, mangoes, oranges. Those are one of my personal favorites. Walnuts, quinoa seeds. Those are great. As well as pH balanced water. That's a great idea. Normal tap water contains fluoride. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but what I am saying is try ones that are pH balanced. So, there you have it. Some of these processed foods, honestly, are poisonous, basically, to your body. You'll obviously feel the effects. Other than junk food, fried chicken, hamburgers, hot dogs, they're all processed. I hate to tell you this, but it's the truth. They're all terrible for you. Have you ever noticed that you feel bloated and maybe get a stomach ache or your body may quiver after it? Your body doesn't react super well to it, and it just sits in there and it's hard to digest, and it's just uncomfortable, unhealthy. Now, I'm not telling you to give it up. I'm simply presenting some information here. What you do with it, I honor your freedom of choice. It's all you. But this is what I say. Really take a closer look at organic foods. Really start to consume a lot more of them. Natural baby carrots, broccoli, many kinds of fruits, star fruit. That's good for you. Mangoes, even coconuts, they contain lactic acid. Things that are not only iron, that's just good for your blood. Antioxidants, which could be good for eye health, brain health, heart health. People who eat more of these organic foods, I've read, are 15 or 25% likely to get a heart attack, whether as opposed to people who consume mostly processed foods with a lot of added ingredients are more likely to, are 50% or more, usually more, percent likely to have heart disease, strokes, diabetes, certain types of bowel cancers. While as those who consume a lot more vegetables and organic fruits and other things, a more vegetarian diet, might I say, are less likely to get these diseases. They feel great, and here's the kicker, it can even help regulate something like diabetes. I mean, you got to go really organic in order to do this and get all your antioxidants and everything, which, look it up, but it's really getting your antioxidants, getting all these things. It's true, it can help with diabetes, it can lower your risk for diabetes as well as heart disease and other things, and it's all around going to make you feel better, look better. A lot of these things, even capsaicin, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, forgive me. Capsaicin, the thing found in red hot peppers, or the kinds of peppers, can also help you burn fat or lose weight. Well, they provide that burning feeling, which helps burn more calories. They burn more calories. So therefore, in conclusion, I encourage all of you, really look into, eat more organic foods, raw or steamed vegetables, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, sweet potatoes, all these things. They'll help you look great, feel great, and your body will definitely thank you for it. So in conclusion, thank you very much for watching. I please hope that you take this to heart and continue watching my videos. Please continue to support me. Please visit my Facebook page, my Twitter, my Instagram, and please contact me there. And let's have a discussion. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Love, peace, and unity, my brothers and sisters.